how to do a back bend in the whole rainforest. And it's really rainy today. So let's start out by turning yourself sideways. Make sure your feet are planted very securely on a flat surface and about shoulder width apart. Then from here you can do two things. If you're a beginner, I recommend you start by holding your hips and slowly going backwards. And then eventually when you can't hold yourself anymore, catching yourself. Or if you're a little more advanced, you can just bring your arms above your head and then fall into it. So from here, you can try lifting up your legs. So I like to bend one leg and then just fully straighten it. And then you can also try going up onto your tiptoes. Then to make it really professional, you can bring your arms and legs as close together as possible. And finally, to stand up, push up off the ground and make sure your feet are very stable. That's it. Thank you.